Hello, this is Mrs. Ernst coming to you guys again with another instruction video. This instruction video is for Wednesday the 22nd. Alright, so here's what we've got going on. You're going to read Growing a Vegetable Soup, which my kids have already heard, but that's perfectly fine. It's always good to hear a book twice. When you're done, I would like you guys to write about why you think the author wrote this book. Now, we've been talking about author's purpose. 2 reasons: for fun or to learn something, okay? So once you're done with that, we're going to jump into writing, and you're going to be working on your first reason why what we should grow in the garden, okay? So we're talking about what we should grow in our garden if we had a garden. So you're going to tell me what yesterday you told me what you think should be grown. Now you're going to give me one reason why, okay? We're only doing our first reason today. We're not doing our second. After that, you're going to review the word wall song, which was on our lesson plans on Tuesday. It's also QR coded right. Apparently it's not. I will put it on there for you guys. I'm terribly sorry. You're going to use the word wall song, okay? After that, we have the long O sort, which is a sort that your child will do. They are only doing the long O sort at this time, okay? After that, we have art. We're finishing Robot Week. This is actually a really cool lesson. I have never seen something like this before, so this is going to be a fun one for you and your child to do. Maybe you guys even do it together. Afterwards, we have math. Sorry, I was checking on something. We have math, and we have a scavenger hunt. This scavenger hunt is going to be shapes. Okay, we're going to take a break from addition and subtraction and doing a scavenger hunt for shapes. Okay, when you're done, send me a picture of that, and have your child get on iStation Math for 30 minutes. Please remember, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays are iStation Math. Okay, after they're done with the iStation Math, if they want to get on Prodigy, they're more than welcome, but they have to do those 30 minutes of iStation Math time, okay? Afterwards, we have science. We're going to be talking about force and motion. So we have a game from PBS Kids on here for your child to play. And then we have an activity on Seesaw that you're going to complete with your child. You're going to take a picture of it and send it to me, okay? Afterwards, that's all I have for you guys today. The one thing I want to remind you guys is please don't push yourselves too hard. If you need a brain break, there's a brain break here. If this takes you multiple days, it takes you multiple days. But all I ask is that at the end of each day, after your child has done the assignments, is that you just send me a picture or upload them. And then I will go from there. You'll know I'll get them because I'll either mark off on Google Classroom, I'll post feedback, or I'll post it on your student's portfolio. That way you know that I have received them. Okay? You guys, remember, this is all my contact information. If you need to reach me for any reason, we can do Zoom or we can do Google Meets for personal little mini tutors. I want to remind you my work hours are from 8 to 4. After that, it's my time to take care of my family. But I hope you guys have a fabulous Wednesday, okay? Bye, guys.